In this segment, we're going to talk about the snapback scan and the different options, what is allowed for the different settings. So when you look at the simple moving average, that is a length. You can have any one or greater number for that whole number. And then for the simple moving average type, and this 20, by the way, shows you the default setting. The simple moving average type is 1, and I've got that highlighted here. That's the exponential moving average. But you also have the option of using 2 for the weighted moving average or 3 for a simple moving average. The symbol attribute to average, the default is to average on the close of the candle. You have the option to average with 2 on the high, 3 on the low, or 4 is an average of the high plus the low divided by 2. And we have the methodology. The default 1 is to use the median distance. And 2 is to use whichever is furthest from the exponential moving average. 3 is to use whichever is closest to the exponential moving average. 4 is to use the close to determine the distance to the exponential moving average. So the other settings we have is express the distance as a multiple of ATR, average true range. The default for this is false. If it is true, then the distance from the mean is expressed in multiples of the ATR. And then the ATR length here, the default is 14. So if you have this feature turned on, it would use the 14. This can be any positive whole number. So this is what will be used for that. Price distance from the mean average length, the default setting for that is 100. That is a positive number, positive whole number 1 or larger. And the price distance from the mean average type, the default is 1, which is the exponential moving average. And you have the option of 2, the weighted moving average, or 3, the simple moving average. So that gives you some detail on what settings are allowed for the different snapback scan settings.